Welcome to our final lesson in this web development series. Today, we'll share practical tips and career advice to help you navigate your path in the world of web development. One of the first decisions you'll make is choosing between front-end, back-end, or full-stack development. Let's explore what each entails and how to decide which path suits you best. If you have a passion for design and creating engaging user experiences, front-end development might be your calling. You'll work closely with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the parts of websites that users interact with directly. To get started, familiarize yourself with the foundational languages and then explore popular frameworks. Building sample projects is a great way to learn and showcase your skills. If you're intrigued by the logic that powers applications and enjoy working with data and servers, backend development could be the right fit. You'll focus on how the website works, handling data storage, security, and application logic. Begin by learning a backend programming language and understanding how databases work. Practice by building APIs and simple backend services to strengthen your skills. If you're excited about both the visual aspects and the underlying logic of web development and you enjoy versatility, full-stack development may be appealing. You'll handle both client-side and server-side tasks. Start by building a solid foundation in both front-end and back-end technologies. Familiarize yourself with full-stack frameworks and work on comprehensive projects to apply your knowledge. Technical expertise is crucial, but soft skills are equally important. Effective communication, collaboration, and problem-solving abilities will enhance your ability to work well in a team and tackle challenges efficiently. Effective communication involves clearly expressing your ideas and solutions, actively listening to others, and adapting your communication style to suit different audiences, whether they're technical or non-technical stakeholders. Collaboration means sharing knowledge, respecting diverse perspectives, and contributing positively to the team's dynamics. Successful projects often result from strong teamwork. Problem solving involves critical analysis of issues, breaking down complex problems into manageable parts, and seeking creative and efficient solutions. This skill is essential in overcoming development hurdles. Web development is a field that evolves quickly. Staying current with new technologies, tools, and industry trends is crucial. Dedicate time to continuous learning to remain competitive and effective. You can stay updated by following industry blogs and podcasts, attending webinars and conferences, and joining professional communities where you can learn from peers and experts. Adopting best practices like writing clean, maintainable code, adhering to coding standards, and regularly refactoring your code not only improves your work but also makes collaboration easier. Set clear short-term and long-term career goals. Seek mentorship from experienced professionals and remain open to new opportunities that can contribute to your growth. Your web development journey is just beginning. Choose the path that excites you, focus on developing both your technical and soft skills, and commit to continuous learning to achieve success in this dynamic field. Begin applying what you've learned by building your own projects. Connect with the developer community to share knowledge and experiences, and keep your curiosity alive as you continue to learn and grow. Thank you for being a part of this web development series. I encourage you to reach out if you have any questions or simply want to share your journey. Let's stay connected.